Mandala Star application is available in Play Store for Android phone. To download the application, our Android must be version 12 and beyond. We have to check in the setting for the Android version. Go to About Phone. Then we will see Android version. This Android is version 14, so it's allowed to install the application. If we get into the Play Store, we have to search for Mandala Star. Tap on Install to install the application. Now it's done, we can open the application. We can select the language for our application.